All right. This is Toyota Sienna. Don't forget to give me a like at the bottom of the page. All right, I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. Okay, so I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look to the left down by the feet, and there's a couple of features. There's a gas pulling feature, and then there's also the hood features. You can see right there. So I'm going to take my fingers right there and then pull on it, and I heard a click. Okay, so now I'm going to go out to the front of the vehicle. I'm at the front of the vehicle, right? And now I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. But there's a safety feature in here, right? And there is a little button, I don't know if you can see it. I'm just gonna press down on it or lift up on it, and it unlocks the safety feature, and I'm able to raise the hood, right? Then don't forget to put up the hood stick right here to keep it open. Let's see if I can do that right here. Hood stick. And then I'm gonna put it in the slot, just like that. And that's how you open the hood on the Toyota Sienna. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.